You have a large estate and it grows in value, phone your accountant today and ask them how much your tax bill will be at death. Derek here, I'm back with another Financial Fundie, and this week I want to answer the question, when do I no longer need insurance? Some people say to me, I don't need insurance anymore. There could be lots of reasons why they say that. One, they could say, well, I paid off my mortgage. I don't have a debt. One might be, well, my dependents are gone. One might be, well, I don't need to leave my children $100 million. Those are good points. But I want to go through a quick discussion on things you should consider when you're considering that statement, I don't need insurance anymore. Now, I think in the past I've shown the curve on a previous Financial Fundie, the amount of insurance that's needed. Early on it's quite low. It's really only enough insurance to maybe pay for a funeral. And then as you get dependents, you get married, that number increases, you get a house, more debt, that increases, and you have kids, that increases even more. In fact, I often say that your greatest insurance need or your highest number of insurance coverage is right around that period when you have your last child. Because if you were to go that day, there's the greatest financial need on you. Now, it does make sense that maybe during that period you had a Term 20 product. The kids are all now 25 years old, they're gone, the mortgage is paid for, you don't need any insurance anymore. One of the things to consider is a little bit of permanent insurance, a little bit of what we call either par or whole life or universal life insurance. Because what this does is it takes care of the very likely, very real tax reality that happens at death. So sure, if you have a large estate and it grows in value, phone your accountant today and ask them how much your tax bill will be at death. It's a very precise way to figure out what number of permanent life insurance you need. The other thing you may want to use permanent life insurance for is making a charitable donation. Sure, maybe you don't have any dependents. Maybe all of your dependents are financially taken care of. Maybe all the debt's taken care of, but you want to make a charitable donation. So a small permanent life insurance policy is a great tool for taking care of the tax, possible charitable donations, and making sure that you have some life insurance that doesn't have an expiry. That, for you this week, is your Financial Fundie.